Hello everyone, hope you all are well. Today we are going to discuss summer pack of grade 5 computer science. Open page number 18. The first part is fill in the blanks. The A part dash is the basic storage unit of a computer and the correct answer is byte. Byte is the basic storage unit of a computer. Then the part B, RAM is a dash memory. RAM is a temporary memory. C, 1 terabyte is equal to dash 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. Okay guys, you have to solve all the remaining blanks by yourself. If you guys need any assistance or any help, you can message in the comment section. Then move to the other question. Tick the correct answer. The first part, which of the following is an input device? We have 4 choices here. The first part is scanner, the second part is printer, the third part monitor, and the fourth part is speaker. And we know printer, monitor and speaker all are output devices. And then the right option is scanner. Scanner is an input device. Which of the following are you most likely to use when playing a computer game? Here we have 4 options and the right option is joystick. Joystick is a device which we use while playing games. Computer is an dash device. Computer is an electronic device. Okay, then part 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you have to solve by yourself. Then move forward. Page number 20. Here we have computer parts. All the parts are mentioned and labeled as a blank. Description is given. We have to read the description and write the correct word here. If we read about the first option, first this is the screen that lets you see what you are doing on the computer. Okay, this is the screen called as monitor. Then this device is your digital hand inside the computer. This device is used to move the cursor on the screen, known as mouse. Okay, you have to solve all the remaining part here. Then page number 21. The next question, find out how many of these keys are there in the keyboard given below. You have to count all the keys and write it here. For example, enter key. How many enter keys are available on the keyboard? We have 2 enter keys available on the keyboard. Then the second part, alphabet keys. How many alphabet keys are here? Total we have 26 alphabetic keys are here. Then number keys, we have total 10 number keys. Space bar, only 1 space bar is available here. Backspace, only 1 backspace is here. Caps lock, only 1 caps lock button is here. Let's discuss the other question. Collect the information about given question from any resource, for example, internet, book, magazine, etc. I will guide you. The first question, you have to solve all the remaining part by yourself as we discussed in the class earlier. What is www? www stands for World Wide Web, is a combination of all resources and uses on the internet. The next question, URL, define web page and website. Search engine, make a list of at least 5. Write the use of internet as many as you can. Draw and label a laptop computer correctly which has screen, keyboard and computer built together. You have to draw a picture of a laptop in which you have to label properly screen, keyboard and all the attached devices with the laptop. Let's discuss the other question. Use the word below to label the part of a computer. Here we have all the label part and we have to write the correct word here. For example, the first screen is known as monitor and these are known as speaker. Then we have keyboard, mouse and a computer. The options are given here. We have to select the right option from here and write it down here. Then the next question, we have all the peripheral devices are given here. The image is given here. We have to write that the name of the device and mention here either it is input device or an output device. If it is an input device, write in word with the name, and if it is an output device, write outward with a device or an output device. If it is an input device, write inward with the name, and if it is an output device, write outward with a name. For example, this is a printer and we have to write in because it is an input device. This one is camera and we have to write out because this is an output device. Then the next question, removable data storage. Also here the options are given here, the names are given here, and we have to write these names with the correct position or the correct location. Then the next question, design a poster which identifies the various parts of a computer system. Decide which application will you use to reproduce the finished poster. You have to draw the poster here. This is your practical work. And then the next question, the difference between primary and secondary storage. You have to write the difference between primary and secondary storage. The first difference is primary storage is fast access time and high speed, whereas secondary storage slow access time and slow speed. In primary storage we have a limited capacity, but in secondary storage we have high capacity. If we talk about data storage, data is stored in a volatile memory, whereas data is stored in a non-volatile memory. Then the next question, enlist the unit of a memory measurements. The first measurement of memory is 8 bit is equal to 1 byte. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes, which is also known as 2 raised to the power 10 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to